Hello and welcome to another SnappyFORMS video tutorial on our interactive PDF forms. My name is Albert, and in this lesson I'm going to show you how to personalize our business forms. Okay, so let's begin. One of the first things you may wish to do is to replace the company name placeholder with your own. To do that, we click on the Form Options menu to bring up the sub-menu, highlight Company Setup, and then slide over to and click Edit Company Name. The company name placeholder will highlight, indicating to you that the field is ready for text input. You may now enter your company name. I'll follow along with you. As you can see, the text cursor is still blinking on and off. That means you can still go back and forth and make any edits that you may need to. Once you're satisfied with your company name, you will want to apply the changes. Just move the cursor any place on the form where you see that it turns into an arrow cursor, and left click the mouse button. As we can see, we can no longer edit the company name. Okay, we're going to do a quick overview on how to change the name placeholder with your own company name. We go to Form Options menu, left click, we see Company Setup, and then we click on Edit Company Name. The name has highlighted, indicating that we can now type in our company name. So we'll type in Ace Appliance Repairs. Okay. In order to apply changes, we move to the side of the form where we can see the cursor's arrow and left click. That completes this tutorial. In the next lesson, I'll be showing you how to change the company address placeholder. Thank you.